All right, folks, let's talk about the motion for substitution of parties. How do you even handle a substitution of parties? Let's dive in. So, a motion for substitution of parties. Now that sounds fancy, but it's just legal speak for replacing one party with another. This usually happens if someone passes away, becomes incompetent, or there's a transfer of interest. Imagine you're in the middle of a lawsuit and one party, say, old Uncle Joe, sadly passes on. You can't just leave an empty chair in the courtroom. That's where the substitution comes in. The court steps in and swaps Uncle Joe with his estate or whoever's next in line. Here's a tip. Always keep an eye on the court's deadlines and procedures for filing these motions. Miss them, and your case could be in hot water. So next time you're knee-deep in legal mumbo-jumbo, remember, substitutions ain't just for football. Got it? Good. Like this? Smash that like button, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal quickies. #99rights_online.